What is the API in programming? An API, Application Programming Interface, is a collection of commands, protocols, and routines that allow applications to communicate with other systems. The use of APIs in programming is very important because it allows developers to access features from other systems without having to rewrite code from scratch. For example, APIs can be used to access data from external sources, access web services, or access databases. APIs can also help speed up application development because they allow developers to use the functionality and features of other existing systems by writing only a small amount of code. This makes the development process more efficient and fast. Guide for beginners using the API. 1. Find out what you need. APIs can be used to do a variety of things, from fetching data from external sources to creating web-based applications. You have to decide what parts of the API you need to make your project successful. 2. Check out the API documentation. Once you've decided which parts you need from the API, you should find the relevant API documentation. This will give you instructions on how to use the API and available features. 3. Create an API account. If you want to use the API, you must create an API account. This will give you the unique credentials you need to access the API. 4. Use the API. Once you have created an API account, you can start using it. This may be making data requests to the API server or using available features. 5. Fix any issues you may encounter. Once you start using the API, you may encounter issues. If so, you should look for a solution to the problem in the API documentation or ask the API community for help.